Welcome back. Today we will find a garage for our G-Wagon. I have already decided where I will park my G-Wagon before shifting the G-Wagon to another garage. We need to do some customization in our garages. But wait, where is our G-Wagon? Last day we left it here only. Not here also. Is our G-Wagon stolen? Just kidding, guys. Last day just for fun I parked it here. Let's do the cold start. Let's take it to our another garage. A little bit of difficulty in taking it, but we will manage. And I share with you my plan about the G-Wagon. To convert my one of the G-Wagon into Brabus or Mansory edition. We will very soon work on it. I will share some ideas with you. Then we will start our project. And very soon we are going to do our next road trip. And the most interesting thing in this road trip, we are going to take one of our supercars. Which one we are taking still not decided. Let's see. Very soon I am planning to buy the Terzo. For that also we need to make some space in the garage. If Opna Games are watching this video, then .pls adds -3 mansions from 12 to 16. Finally we reached. Let's park it here. I know you will say this is the Perkin for XM. But don't worry about it. I think about XM also. First park this one here. Now we will take out one of the cars from here. Yes, we will take out the new Prado. I don't want to park this car here. I have a better garage for this car. Now we can park the XM in this garage. This car does not have any use in that garage. We will park it somewhere where we can use it. But before that, we will give it a little touch-up. Black is a boring color. What's your opinion for the car? Does it look good? Too much of customization does not look good in SUV. So I keep it simple. Now let's go where we are going to park this car. Gas station stop. I think now you will understand where we are going to park this car. We are going to park this car in our new Farmhouse. One spot left there. My driving skills are just not done. Now the Farmhouse is full. And every kind is there, which are required in forest. One mini truck, one big truck, one trophy truck, and one SUV. Let's make some space. Tomorrow we will take the XM and get back home. Now, I noticed in this garage, 3 of the cars are Toyota. Look like a Toyota dealership. In all this Toyota, the Suzuki truck just got hidden. Now it's perfect. Like, share, comment, subscribe.